okay about I'll try.
Give it a shot. Just a little bit, okay?
So, I was
And design. Good.
It's the class
Is the class.
which
Which turns. Good.
is
The future.
hope
That's good enough. Okay?
to.
Alright.
System analysis and design is the class which turns the future hope into present reality for businesses, schools, and students.
That is his real voice, changed and transcribed with free AI using VoiceBox, which can be found at voicebox.sh.
All right.
Very good.
Yeah.